Welcome to Jane Geff Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare Mahamri. Let's get into the kitchen and do this together. For the Mahamri, we need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. That's the second cup, and this is how the cup looks. This is the size of the cup that I'm using. There we are. I have my 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Remember, we are making Mahamri. Then you add some sugar, 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you like it more sweet, that's okay. I will also use some yeast instead of baking powder, as you can see. I'll use the yeast. So here is 1 tablespoon of yeast. Add into the flour, then you mix it. Mix it so well. Remember, I have put some sugar, yeast. There are people who like to put lemon. You can also put in that. You can also add in some oil. And immediately you're done with the oil, mix it very well. After mixing so well, as you can see, the mixture of sugar, oil, all-purpose flour, and the yeast, then you add in some warm water little by little as you mix it. You can use your hands, just mix it so well. Wow. Mix it until it is well mixed up, and make some nice dough. You can see my dough is getting ready for the Mahamri. There we are. You can place it on the table and mix it. Mix it so well. Now my dough is ready. Place it back in the bowl and allow it to rest. So I'll cover it with a kitchen towel and allow it to rest for around 15 minutes. Then we get into the next step. Wow. Our dough is ready, as you can see. We allowed it to rest for around 15 minutes. Roll the dough for the Mahamri, just like the way you roll the chapati. Then you can push on. And to get the Mahamri shape. You can see the Mahamri shape is well done, and do the same for all the Mahamris. I have already prepared. Now I'm just going to fry the Mahamri. Our oil is ready. Now we can put in the Mahamri. Then turn slowly. When they turn golden brown. Wow. Wow. Look at our Mahamri. Make sure they turn golden brown. Wow.
Wow, looks soft and nice inside. Let me taste it. Oh, delicious, delicious! I tell you. Yeah.
Our mandazis are ready. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, press the notification button, and let me know at the comment section how you find the Mahamri.